Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to check your link card balance in 2025. If you're receiving benefits like SNAP or EBT, staying on top of your balance is crucial for managing your budget. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the simplest methods step by step, so you can do this in just a few minutes. First off, let's start with the most convenient option: checking online. Head over to the official link card website, which has been updated for 2025 with a sleeker interface. Once you're there, click on the Login button and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, there's a quick registration process. Just provide your card details and personal info. After logging in, navigate to the Account Summary section, and bam! You'll see your current balance right on the screen. Pro tip: make sure your account is linked to your email for instant notifications on low balances. If you're more of a mobile person, download the Link Card app from your app store. It's free and has gotten even better in 2025 with biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID. Open the app, log in with your credentials, and tap on the Balance tab. It's that straightforward. For those who prefer a personal touch, you can call the customer service line. Dial the number on the back of your card, follow the automated prompts, and enter your card number when asked. You'll hear your balance announced immediately. One more option if you're out and about: visit any authorized retailer that accepts link cards. Just swipe your card at their terminal and ask for a balance inquiry. They can print it out for you on the spot. Remember, always keep your card secured to prevent any unauthorized access. There you have it. Easy ways to check your link card balance in 2025. Whether you're tech savvy or not, these methods are designed for everyone. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.